Here's a quick look before we dive into actually installing and using it. But here's everything that comes with the Driveye dash cam. So this is with a 5-channel voice control. This first piece is with 3 camera lenses on it. That is for the sides and for the front actual part, and all of them are adjustable. Then we also have a little schematic, which is cool, just to show you where everything gets plugged in. You have your other 2 cameras, which is all through this piece here. And this is for the, you can use this as a baby monitor. You can put this also in the rear view. And then you also have your last camera as well. And then you've also got straps, so you can strap it to the back of the seat if you want to use it to see the baby in the back. You've got different mounting pieces, different adhesives pieces and backings, and then your power cable. Now I've started installing the dash cam in my car, and so now we can take a look at how to use this along with some of the AI features. So install process is pretty easy and has a lot of instruction in here of how to do it. Some really cool AI features that I really enjoy about this are the voice commands, which I'll show you in just a moment as well. Now these front cameras are adjustable, just that simple. You can turn it around to your desired positioning, even pivoting upward, downward, so that you can point it how you like it, whether it be out your side window, whether it be just a little bit to the side, and that's the same for both of these cameras. Now you can see all 5 cameras at the same time from your 5 channels, and then even the front camera you can adjust as well, just like so, and you can see that with this top left camera here. That is the front camera here. Now you're also able to have voice commands. So watch this. Show front camera. Show rear camera. And it's that simple to be able to change it around. Show front camera. Show front camera. There we go. Now you can even play around with the controls here. Be able to go left and right, toggle on voice control or not. And you can cycle through. You can see there's my car seat. And so you can see your baby monitor at the same time. You can go back to the dash cam and see it all there as well, all 5 at the same time, or select a certain one. Now it's cool. It's nice that it even comes with a SD card so that you're able to have some local storage on there to be able to play back features. There's even other voice commands where you can lock the video, turn on the Wi-Fi, turn on and off the audio, taking a photo, lots of different things there. So now how I have it is you plug it in here. That's for your power. And the nice thing is it also comes with the ability to have an additional USB plugged in at the same time. On my back seat is my baby cam, where I have this camera using the strap to have the camera pointed at the right angle to the car seat here, so I can see the little one while I'm driving. And lastly, I have my rear view camera, where I have the ability to see out the back window. Now you also have the option to install this on the inside or outside. I have mine installed on the inside for ease of install. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a really cool 5-channel system of a dashboard cam to be able to store things so that if you ever are in an accident, you can show that you were not at fault. Be able to keep it running, to be able to just make sure you keep your car and your possessions and yourself and your passengers safe. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.